What's up guys, Pete here. Today we're going to be talking about the Olsa Tools Stubby Impact Socket. I got the metric set. It goes all the way from 10 to 24, half-inch drive. Let's talk about it. All right, here's some key features. You can use this Stubby Impact Socket in a 22mm wrench or 7/8 wrench, preferably a ratchet wrench, but I don't have any that size. And this is a size comparison from just a shallow socket and the super stubby socket from Olsa. And if you didn't already know this, you can use this as a pass-through, which yes, it'd work a lot better with a ratchet wrench. But for them long studs that you can't get a socket on, this is perfect. All right guys, so I usually pair my Olsa Tools Stubby Impact Sockets with my 90-degree impact to get in these tight spots right here to break this stuff loose. So if you're looking for a high quality stubby impact socket, check out olsatools.com. Tell them Pete sent you. This set right here, 10 to 24, no skips, is $42. They have standard, metric, 3/8 and half-inch drive. So y'all check them out. Peace.